Hey friends, good morning. Last week, I scratched my own itch and contributed to Laravel, and 2 days ago, it landed on the Laravel docs. Let me show you what it is. In Laravel, we already know that we can send Slack notifications, and we've been constructing our message using this Slack message class, where we define the structure and the content of our message using this fluent methods provided us, and it is very nice. I had a problem though, because the Slack message I was trying to send are defined by the users. And I didn't want them to just send plain text. I wanted them to still be able to design their Slack messages, and I wanted them to use a Slack builder kit. Now the API I really wanted is where they design their message here and just copy the payload and provide it to the system, and that's what I sent for them. So I contributed that feature, which is this one. The method using BlackKit template. So in here, as you can see, this is the JSON generated from the BlackKit builder, and we can send that using this method using BlackKit template. Now let's see that in action. So in here, I have this notification invoice paid, which is what the demo showed. And let's see that in action. I just copy pasted this from the Laravel docs. Now let's try to send that one. Send here. And as you can see, it is constructed and designed the way we defined it using this fluent methods, right? Now I have here another one, which is a template provided by the BlackKit builder. Let's see where it comes from. I think I just copied that from, I went to templates, and yeah, I just copy pasted one of this thing here, which is, I think this one, use message template. You copy that over, you paste that in your code, and then you send it using this method using BlackKit template. Now let's see it in action. I have this notification, new setter created. If I send that, you can see it is rich. It is designed the way you designed it in the BlackKit builder. So that's what this method is about, where you can just come into the BlackKit builder, design your message like a WYSIWYG, where you can design it the way you want it in here. You can see it. So the iteration of your design is faster because you can see it right in there as you're dragging this stuff in there. And if you wanted your user to kind of provide a dynamic message, you can just interpolate that in ways where you want. So maybe you can add in a string here where you can swap it later on. Let's say header, something like that. And it's up to you as a developer how you want to interpolate or swap those variable tokens in your message. So this is very useful. Like for example, from my use case where the users are the one designing and providing the Slack message. Of course, it still depends. There are definitely a lot of cases where the fluent methods are a better option. So it really depends on the use case, and it's really up to you. What I like about using the JSON block though is you now have access to all of the blocks that are in here. So the methods, fluent methods, may be limited and not complete. So with this, at least every time there's a new update in Slack, you can use it right away. So that's the contribution I made. Check it out and say hi on Twitter and Blue Sky. Thank you.